Hi, I'm Kohei Hashimoto, Government Licensed Guide Interpreter. You are most welcome to join me in the unique tour of Japan. Now let's see how it looks like. Today we are visiting Tokyo Somemonogatari Museum. This is one of the famous workshops for dyeing garments of kimono. Especially the technique of so-called Edo-Komon that was originated in the early 18th century had been in operation here for more than 200 years. These are some samples of stencils used in the process of dyeing. This workshop has more than 4,000 patterns of stencils. Now, as those who produce these stencils are old and few, these are very precious collection. This workshop also produces scarves, pocket chiefs, or ties using an exactly the same traditional dyeing method with contemporary touch of design. What makes this workshop more precious is that you can experience one of the Edo-Komon production procedures yourself. Let's look at how it is done. Now the procedure this lady is trying is a process of so-called katatsuke, where you are requested to put glue on the stencil and spread it evenly over the silk cloth beneath the stencil. The white silk cloth to be dyed at one time has more than 7 meters long, and the process of katatsuke has to be repeated for dozens of times. And this is just one of the 6 steps of stencil dyeing. It is daunting. So-called Edo-Komon is actually an invention of the feudal lords of the Edo period. As peace prevailed in the 17th to 18th century, feudal lords tend to seek luxury, while Tokugawa shogunate's teaching was to be modest and frugal. The shogunate finally issued a new regulation banning samurai from wearing luxurious attire. Interesting thing is that the feudal lords reacted and came up with kimonos that looked plain from afar, hiding the designs by making them small and inconspicuous. As a result, dyeing skills developed, resulting in what is now called Edo-Komon. So the desire for fashion overwhelmed the restriction by the shogunate. Now the process of katatsuke seems to be completed. So let's see the result.
はい、あなたも綺麗。
Now you can sign your name on the back of the cloth with a pattern of your choice. And her choice was dog footprints. And your signature, please. And this is the result of the dyeing. called fukusa, a cloth used for tea ceremony. Did you enjoy Edo-Komon workshop? I think this is a unique and pleasant experience. So come to be with us at the Real Tour of Japan. Until then, bye for now and sayonara.